Good day. This is another video that will appear in a calculus exam NCEA level 2 or every year. So we'll go look at it. So make sure you know how the graph of a quadratic, how a graph of a cubic, and how does the graph of x to the power 4 look like. So this is a cubic graph. So if it's going up, down, up, it is a positive cubic. So we make it simple. Y equals to x cube plus whatever in the x squared and constant. So that is a cubic graph, a positive cubic, so we know that's x cubed. So they ask you on the graph below, in the second graph there, you are going to sketch the graph of the gradient function. Gradient function is dy dx, okay? You don't know, if you differentiate dy dx, it's going to be 3x squared plus the other number that's there. So in other words, it's going to be a positive quadratic graph. So to do that, you need to know that at the maximum point, okay, and the minimum point, a local maximum minimum, the gradient is 0 at the turning point. So we're going to draw a line down, okay? So that point there, you could draw the line down, okay? The turning point, the gradient is going to be 0 at the turning point. Similarly, at this point here, if you draw downwards, okay, you draw downwards, okay, that turning point, the minimum point, the local minimum, and when you find the gradient for that point is also going to be at 0. So because this is a positive quadratic, so it's going to be a U shape other than N shape. So just sketch the graph and a U shape, and that will be an easy achieve. Hopefully you get it. So if it is a negative cubic, it will be down, up, down, okay? Then your graph will be the N shape, okay? So you need to know, repeat again, you need to know if it is a quadratic at the function, when differentiate, it become a linear graph. So that is how you do, you differentiate it and you get one of the power will be less than 1. So that is how you solve it, and I'll see you soon.